Hello, my name is Rachel Ergovich, and the app I'm showing you today is titled Book Nest, and it provides a way for the user to track books they've read and also allows them to search for books. And this is intended for people who want something more formalized than using a notes pane on their phone, but who want something a little simpler than services such as Goodreads. I'm now going to provide you a walkthrough of the app. So this is the home page. It provides 3 different forms and uses on-click functions for each of the buttons to switch to a desired form. If I had done this differently, I would have used a login page that utilized Creighton login information. That way we could have had multiple users having their own bookshelves. So the first option is to add a book to my shelf, and right off the bat we have a hamburger page which allows the user to switch between forms using an on-click function. And this is on all of the forms except for the home page. And here you add your following book information. And as you can see, when I click out of the form, out of the inputs, a validator message appears because these are required elements for our database. And the validator control is one of my advanced controls and was probably the most challenging part of the presentation and the app overall, just because there's a bug in App Studio that requires specific naming conditions that I wasn't aware of. But as I type, each message goes away. And I'll just provide an example of a use case for everyone. And when I click Add Book, that utilizes an on-click command. It clears the inputs, switches back to the home page, and tells us that our book has been successfully added. And that means that the book has been inserted into the bookshelf data table on my own database schema. Next, we have Find a Book, which utilizes on-show to load all of the book titles that are in our data table. And you can select an example, and when you click Find Book, the on-click function pops up a modal window, which is my second advanced function, and tells you the book title, the author, the genre, and the date you read the book. When you click OK, the selection is cleared, and it takes you back to the home page utilizing on-click functions. Finally, there is the books about JavaScript. This text area loads on show and has information from Google Books API showing the title and author or authors of the 10 most relevant books on Google Books API about JavaScript. Ideally, this would have been able to have the user search by title, author, subject, or a combination of the 3, but I wanted this to provide a use case for what it would look like if the user searched for a specific subject such as JavaScript. Thank you for watching my video and viewing my app. I hope you enjoy it, and I think it's a really functional, easy to use option for people who want to track their reading habit.